Alrighty, today I'm opening one of these Disney Lorcana packs. Yeah, I've heard some good things about this. Artwork is pretty decent. This is a Flooded with Power. Rise of the Floodborn. I don't know. It's Disney. See what happens. 12 randomized cards. Damn, smoke alarm. Needs new batteries. Alrighty. Pretty cool. Come on. Maybe it's me, because I can't open it right away. Yep. There you go. Alrighty. We go with Improvise. Said I've never opened one of these packs. Nice. Cruella DeVille. Got Piglet. Here you go. I got Winnie the Pooh. Yeah. Minnie Mouse. Hercules. Mother Gothel. I don't know how you say it. Mouse Armor. Mickey Mouse, I guess. Got Tigger. And I forgot this guy's name. It's all good. Chief Bogo. King Louie. Yeah. Jungle Book, I think. Nana. Alright, that's a foil card right there. Come on, focus. Yeah, foil card. I think that's the only one. And then I don't know what this is. Mini card. Yeah. That's it. Like I said, new to me. I've already been out for a minute. They got some big boxes out there, but bought a couple packs. See how it goes. Got one foil, Nana. Lorcana, Rise of the Floodborn. It's aight.